In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic to Advanced Level. In this lecture, I will solve Pakistan Publishers Commission 2011 MCQ, that is vector A dot into B vector cross C vector is equal to solution, that is vector A dot into B vector multiply C vector is equal to A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3 interchanging row 2 and row 3 equal to minus A vector dot into C vector multiply B vector interchanging row 1 and row 2. So C1, C2, C3, A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3 is equal to C vector dot into A vector cross B vector. So option D is correct, that is C vector dot into A vector cross B vector. A B C is equal to A vector dot into B vector cross C vector. C A B is equal to B vector dot C vector cross A vector. C A B is equal to C vector dot into A vector cross B vector. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.